Humans, it's Mary White again, and I want to show you some of the great stuff you can do with my Everyday Mary J cooking weed. Ta-da! Now, with this particular batch, I have made a whole bunch, actually a pint of infused olive oil. It looks almost like regular olive oil, doesn't it? But an ounce of cannabis in a pint of oil will give you about 2,800 milligrams of active cannabinoids. Do with that what you will. What that means though is, and again, this is grandma medicine, you guys. It isn't your doctor saying take 0.25. This is, you're gonna try it, you're gonna see how it works, okay? So we always estimate a tablespoon of this delicious oil is about 50 milligrams. Now, if you're a person with some tolerance, that's awesome. If you're not, pay attention. A teaspoon is gonna be closer to 15. That might be what you want. But you guys, you know, people are stuck on edibles have to be brownies or mints. The great thing with this cooking weed is you can make stuff that you can add yourself to what you're eating. And what we're making today is, oh look, pesto. Now I call this Nick's pesto. Nick is one of the people at Anonymous Buffalo, and he's from Sicily, so it's serious pesto, okay? And actually, I just had some basil left. Oh, and I'm like, okay, so we got some leftover basil. Oh, we're jamming it in here. A little bit of garlic, not too much, because, you know, Nick might be kissing people later, okay? Then, and you guys notice, there's no recipe, okay? Pesto is just paste. This could be different leaves, half parsley, half basil. It could be walnuts instead of almonds or instead of pine nuts, right? This is your deal. But you always want, you know, some greenery, some garlic, some freshly grated Parmesan, and it's just like little pillows of love, okay? So all I'm gonna do now is just zoom it around in the little gizmo. Now this is gonna be pretty, you know, leafy at this point, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the uninfused olive oil because we don't wanna send anyone to Mars. Well, maybe we do, but we're not gonna do that. So now you can see how it's turning into pesto, right? Now we add the Nick ingredient, a tablespoon, because Nick's got the tolerance, a tablespoon of infused olive oil. Now you will notice when you start adding infused things to your food, there can be a change in the flavor profile, so pay attention. With this, I usually like to add a little extra salt. Oh, look, here it is. And sometimes if I have lemons around, a little lemon zest. You'll find that when you cook with cannabis, you're gonna get a lot of vegetal flavor. And you can always counteract that with, with lemon zest or, you know, cinnamon, whatever. Okay, so right like that. Oh, Nick's gonna love this. Okay, a little like that. And then, there, and just a few almonds. Because there's, the nice thing when you're doing this yourself too, is you can really be the boss of the texture, right? You want the nuts, you know, kind of nut-like, and you want the other stuff smooth. So just a tiny bit more of this. And look, you guys, look. What would that take? 2 minutes? Less than that? Infused pesto, people. You want it. And I wish this was smell-o-vision. Oh, it smelled good. So, with Everyday Mary J cooking weed, you can be a gourmet.